In this segment, we're going to cover the proper cleaning and maintenance of the interior lighting lenses, particularly the front door panel in this case, and the light bulb. To clean these assemblies, I just use a standard window cleaner and a soft cloth, preferably something cotton, something that won't scratch the lens itself. I don't recommend using paper towel because it will scratch the lenses. If you just lightly spray both the front and back side with cleaning solution, and with a soft cloth, I just gently rub off and clean the lens, both front and back side. Pay attention, a lot of times the lenses will be grooved to add in the reflection of the light. You want to make sure you get down and clean those grooves thoroughly. Now if that's clean, we'll just set it aside. Please watch our next segment on cleaning and the light and cover assembly, part 2.